YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the crazy family. And if you already been here, ya sabes que tú eres parte de la familia. That means you already know you're part of the family. Before we even start, I want to thank First Aid for sponsoring this video. Literally, I've been rocking with First Aid for a long time, and I love their stuff because their stuff is from sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin. That's me. When I get breakouts and I'm constantly trying new products, it's like I don't get scared anymore. That's crazy because I'd be like, I got my heaven sent First Aid, and I have my washer, my moisturizer, and all my stuff from them. So if anytime that I feel like, okay, this product kind of give me a day or two of rest on my First Aid products, and I'm good after that. So what we're gonna be featuring today is the new Ultra Repair Barrier Cream. As you guys know, I've been using this way before it came out because I had to try it out to speak to you guys about it, because I'm not gonna promote you skincare that I don't believe in because it's really serious. So basically this right here, I'm about to tell you why everyone needs this. Why? Because it helps to protect your skin barrier. And you may ask, they said, what is a skin barrier? What are you talking about, man? What are you talking about? It's literally the outer layer of your skin surface. So what the cream is gonna do is gonna help the good stay in and the bad stay out. It's literally a barrier. That's why it's called barrier. Hello. So basically, because it helps to balance and provides adaptable hydration for normal, combo, or dry skin, it has so many ingredients to restore, hydrate, and strengthen. And one of my favorite is colloidal. I'm gonna put the word here, oatmeal, colloidal oatmeal, because that right there, it helps to soothe and calm my skin. Because when I break out or I get any irritation from anything, that just that's why I use my oatmeal mask again. If you guys see me on my Instagram posting oatmeal and my white mask like at least 3-4 times a week, is that because I'm constantly trying new products. It's fragrance free, it's oil free, like all First Aid products, and yeah, it's amazing. So if you haven't tried this, this is a must. Like literally, I recommend this. And when it goes on, it's different. I can't compare it to any other moisturizer because it's airy. It feels like a marshmallow. That's how I could describe it. You will have to go to the store and feel it for yourself. Go to Sephora, get a sample, try it out. And they also just started carrying it in Ulta. So if you're Ulta, don't forget to pick up your barrier cream because we gonna need it. No matter what age you are, you need to protect your skin barrier. Hello, hi, thank you so much. So yeah, after I put it on, I let it sit for, a minute, and then I move on with the rest of the stuff. All right, so now we're gonna talk about my weight loss and everything that I've been doing. Literally, at first when I started doing this thing, I was like, you know what, I don't want to talk about it because I want to talk about it when I'm like done. And then out of nowhere, Snapchat decides to show you the memories, and you're like, oh wow, I've come so far. So I'm just gonna talk about how I started, what motivated me, how keeps me motivated, all that stuff. So just let's do this together. The first thing I'm going to start with is with my corrector, and this one is by MAC, that I use literally every time. This is a very subtle beat, by the way, that I'm about to do because I have to go get some stuff right quick that I need, so I don't want to have like a full face, and it's hot outside, so I'm not trying to do all that. That's a little too much. I'm going to be answering 4 questions that I kind of put together to just keep me on track, because I just don't want to go from one thing to another. I'm really good at that, so let's just stay on track. So what pushed me to start my fitness journey? Basically, I went through a very bad breakup, a horrible breakup. It was literally like I just wanted to die. I'm like, why? But now I thank God that I went through that because how everything changed. I went through that breakup, but before that, I was already very insecure about my body, and I was taking diet pills to lose weight. Like I was in the wrong track, but I think the breakup really helped me to just go all the way to the bottom, because I was in the bottom. I was like the biggest I have ever been, the most insecure, like just, it was a mess, you guys, like a mess. So it was either, are you gonna get up and do something, or staying here where you don't like it and feel bad about yourself for the rest of your life? So it was literally up to me. I didn't have no one helping me, nothing. So it was funny because we were having dinner at Ray's house, and then everybody wanted to start like the workout journey situation, right? So what we did, we were eating some greasy bomb ass food. I'm gonna go in with chestnut. This one is by Too Faced. This is the concealer, and I'm gonna use this all over my face for foundation. Bomb ass food. And then all of a sudden, I don't remember who was the one who was like, you know what, we should start boxing. And I was like, I'm not gonna start boxing. I wanna. Well, we all signed up in Groupon for boxing. and we started going there. I think I went boxing for like, I think a couple months, and I started seeing, I think I dropped like 10 or 15 pounds, and I started feeling myself a little, and it was like, okay, good, da 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 da, all that. But trust me, it was hard every time. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you it was easy. Wake up every morning, go to the gym, enjoy it. It was hard. I did not want to wake up. I did not want to wake up and work out. I did not want to eat good. It was just, that's just who I am as a person. I didn't want to. So I started doing that. And then after, I feel like my body just kind of hit plateau because I wasn't doing enough, and kind of got like a little comfortable after I lost like 15 pounds, right? So then all of a sudden, my friends started going to Orange Theory. And mind you, I don't know what the heck is Orange Theory, none of the stuff. And if that's what I'm doing now, everybody asks me what Orange Theory is. Orange Theory works, is amazing. I love it. Google it and you guys will find out what it is. It's really hard for me to explain what Orange Theory is. Literally one day my friends were recommending it to me, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go. I went in, I signed up, I did it. Let me tell you something, it was one of the hardest classes I ever done in my life. I wanted to cry, but after I finished, I felt like a bad I didn't care. I was like, this is me for the rest of the time. Even though I hate it. It's not like, well, it's not like I hate it, like, oh my gosh, no, it's more like, oh my gosh, I have to get up and do it. But after you finish, you're like, you know, like that. So then I did that. Oh, you guys, not on Prime. When I do this makeup, I don't Prime. I just correct my skin, my moisturizer, and then that's it. I don't Prime because I'm not going for a crazy make. This is just natural, very natural. And when I mean natural, it's natural. I'm not gonna go somewhere else. So yeah, I started there, boom, 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 boom. And then it hit 6 months later, I'm just dropping weight and I'm just working out every day and doing it and pushing myself because I knew, I was like, you know what? I know that I'm able to do this. Like, God gave me the power, like I could do this. So I started going every day, boom, boom, boom. Time passed, people started noticing, and I was like, really? You really see I'm smaller? I don't see, I feel like I still look the same. In almost a year, I have lost 50 pounds. Let me tell you something though. I eat what I want. I'm not joking. I think that like the first maybe month, like the first 3 months, I was like not even strict diet. I was just in a trying to eat as healthy as possible, but I wasn't in a strict diet. And up to this point, I'm not, and I'm still losing weight. It's like the craziest. And I thought, I was like, you know what, when I lose like the total of 80 pounds, because that's how much I want to lose, so I have 40 more to go, I'm gonna be so comfortable in everything. But this journey, literally, like, I appreciate to love myself where I'm at. And that's the most important thing, because you could be the smallest that you could be and you could still not love yourself. It's like the craziest. Like, I am 180 right now, okay, and I'm the I am in the best place that I have ever been. Do I have work to do in my body and stuff to just like ferment? Yes. But everything starts here. Everything starts with you. When you are fed up and tired, no one is going to stop you. People always ask me, Irisel, how do you start? How did this happen? Rich Ginger by Jouer for concealer. How do you have the motivation to wake up every day and go, I love trying on cute clothes, and it fits like, woo, cute. That's what motivates me. It helps me feel good about myself. My mental is really good. That's why I have to work out like every other day, because I remember the other time I was sick and I didn't work out like for 4 days, and I was like, what the hell? I need to go back to the gym. It was just, it's really like, it's mental. It's mental. But yeah, working out and stuff like that, when you're ready and you're fed up to like, if you don't like the way you look, you're going to do it. That's what happened to me. I didn't have any more option but to get up and do it, because it was like, you either stay here and be merciful and freaking make everyone around you merciful, or change the attitude. Is it gonna take time? Yes. It doesn't happen overnight. There's days that you don't want to deal with it. There's days that you don't want to even, none of that. But you have to do it. If you really want the change, you will make that happen. There's nothing no one could tell you about that. Let me blend this right quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so grabbing now my Huda Canufa color just to set in the areas where I get oily, but literally I just dip once and go around the face, because I kind of want the oils and the skin to just kind of go with the flow. I don't want a cake on my face. No, that's not the look we're going for. And then I don't set my whole face, so I'm about to put some bronzer. This one is deep, dark deep, and I'm just gonna go lightly right here. And if you guys notice, I didn't apply my dark stick because I don't want the face to look so harsh. Let's lay right here. Let's put a little bit of blush. I'm going to be using the Jouer one right here. This one is the color Cheeky Summer. This one. Just a little. I used to hate blush. Now it's like, I love blush. It makes me look more useful and more like, ooh, I'm happy and healthy. That's what blush made me feel like. Because of Ryan. I love when he uses blush. I've been loving this translucent medium by Laura Mercier. It's the shimmery one. Just to highlight the cheeks, like to give it a little bit of, so pretty. Like, see the subtle glow? I don't want that much. All the way to my brow, a little my nose, here my chin. I just want my skin to look very dewy and like, just like, ooh, she woke up kind of like a little highlighted and contour. Natural. All right, so what keeps me motivated? I think I really touched on that earlier, but just trying on clothes, like feeling cute and going out, putting heels on, and just like, I've been doing that, you know? That's what keeps me motivated. And also just healthy. Like, I'm able to walk and take cosito, and you know, I'm not so tired. It's just like a complete huge change. That's what keeps me motivated. It's mainly like my health and feeling cute. I'm never gonna lie, I guess feeling cute. Every time I go shopping, I'm like, ooh, that fits. Ooh, size 10. Ooh, size 12. Air barriers, but it's like, wow. Okay, all right, all right. So that's literally it. Okay, so number 4 question that I put, weight loss tips. What are weight loss tips? Control what you eat. Be realistic with yourself, like where you're at in life, because as humans, we tend to go from, today I woke up, I'm gonna lose 40 pounds by next month. That doesn't happen. And if you do that, it's very unhealthy. And let me tell you, you're gonna gain back 80. It doesn't work. When I was taking my diet pills, and that's how I used to work, it's just not, Be realistic with where you're at. Weight loss tips that I say, take it slow, take it day by day. Be gentle with yourself. Sometimes I'm not. Sometimes I'm so hard on myself, and it's kind of like I literally have to look at myself and be like, stop, because I'm treating myself bad. I don't know if you guys understand, but sometimes I'm like, you're being mean to yourself. Relax. Be gentle. Take it day by day and step by step. Trust me. If you're used to eating for breakfast, lunch, dinner, McDonald's, you imagine the next day waking up and being like, tomorrow I'm starting my diet, I'm cutting off everything off. Your body's gonna be like, what are you doing, sis? You're gonna starve, you're gonna be mad at the people around you. It's just not gonna work. So guess what? If you're doing 3 McDonald's a day, do 2. And then the last one, do a salad. And that's how you start. Balance. For me, I love eating. And that's why I work out every day, because I love eating. So I just balance. Like if I go out eat with my friends the next day, I eat healthy. And that means a salad, quinoa, chicken, a lot of fruits. I eat a lot of fruits, and I know some people be like, you shouldn't because it's the sugar and all that, but I prefer eating a fruit than a candy. So leave me alone. I will deal with the consequences later. My diet that I do might not work for you. The workout that I do might not work for you. Try different things for you to not get bored. Personally, for me, I can't do the gym. I can't do the regular gym, like going in there and doing the stuff by myself. I can't do that. I need to go to a class where someone tells me, this is what you gotta do, boom, 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 and this is what's gonna happen. I need that. And it's been working out. So for me, Orange Theory, I recommend it a lot. By the way, this is a Too Faced new Damn Girl mascara. It's really nice. But I do have to clean it before I go in because it's a lot of product. And then just go really slowly. Don't rush it. If you are just not patient like me, you might want to rush it and it's gonna be a mess. But yeah, take it day by day. Be gentle with yourself. And like I said, take steps. If you drink soda every day for dinner, lunch, and everything, for dinner, drink water. Or for breakfast, just drink water and all that. And literally, that's it. Be gentle with yourself. Well, one diet might work for you. It might not work for the other person. There's no miracle way of doing this. I'm going to keep it 100. No miracle way of losing weight, of getting healthy. None. It just starts everything with you. And be gentle in the process. And there's days that you're not going to be gentle, but just go in the mirror and be like, stop. That's what I do. And then something that I've been doing that this is like, I think has helped me a lot. And I'm not a doctor by any means. I'm not a dietitian, none of that stuff, but it works for me. I drink I freshly squeeze 2 grapefruits a day in the morning. Right before I work out, that's my energy drinker. I don't drink no energy, nothing. That's what I do. 2 grapefruits in the morning. And someone told me on Instagram, like, make sure that you drink it with a straw because it is acid. And then later on, like, your teeth could break and all that. And I didn't think of that. I was like, oh, thanks. So that's a little tip. If you're drinking grapefruit orange juice every morning or something like that, drink it with a straw because it has acid and it was gonna break your teeth or whatever. So I was like, oh, that's such a great thing that she told me that. But yeah, that's all I do, you guys. I just wake up and do it. Like, there's days I don't feel like it. Today I didn't go because Osito woke up with diarrhea, like literally all over my bed, and I was like, I have to go take my dog to the damn hospital, so no gym. So yeah, I go 4 to 5 times a week and just maintain that. The most I do is 4, but when I'm really feeling like, okay, this is a good week, I go 5. But you do need to take rest, because before, when I started, I wanted to go every day and my body was like, you can't do that. Your body gets exhausted and you need to be able to rest. So for lips, I'm gonna use this too. This is the, what is this called? Primo Instrict Oil Infused Lip Tint by NARS. Just a little bit of that. Very light on the lips. And it has a little bit of tint color. That, and then to add that little extra lip glossy, the new e.l.f. Jelly Pop Juicy Gloss. I love it. It takes me back to like my high school days. So I just put this on top, and it's not sticky at all. It just really goes with your lips. See that? So pretty. Very subtle, nothing crazy. My hair looks a little, you know, has some braids on. Don't judge it. We good. But yeah, I just wanted to do this quick, you know, get ready with me and talk about my weight loss, because you guys been just asking me about it. And like I said, when I go back and I look at these pictures, I'm like, wow, I have come so far. And what would have happened if I would have quit? All the times that I was like, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna go for it. I'm not good enough. I'm not, none of that. And that's why you have to be careful if you speak like that about yourself, because you sometimes are your worst enemy and you stop yourself from being greater that, like, what you're supposed to be, you know, like you're supposed to be great. And sometimes we sabotage and we stop ourselves from that. So when I caught up to that and I was like, you bringing yourself down, you're doing all this, like, stop, like, you're doing it. It's not gonna happen. It didn't took, you know, a month to get how big I got. Like, it took almost a year and to get there. So it's probably gonna take me a year for me to completely be able to breathe and be like, whoo, I'm in a good space. So like, that's why I say it's very important. Be gentle with yourself. Take it day by day. Don't think that someone's diet is going to work for yours. Don't work out from somebody's going to work for you. Find what works for you and what makes you happy. If it's classes, Zumba, spinning, whatever, try different things. Go for a walk. Try different things. Like I said, if you eat 3 times a day McDonald's, cut it to 2. If you do soda all day, cut it to 2. If you eat candy, don't eat the last candy that you normally eat. Just like everything starts by little changes, and believe that you could do it. Everything starts with you. I hope that helps. Literally, you guys, there's no shortcut to doing this. No shortcut to losing weight, no shortcut to getting healthier. But when your mind is in it and you want to do it, trust me, you're going to do it and you're going to conquer it. I'm still on the road. I'm not finished with my journey, but I'm halfway there and I'm very excited. And I'm very happy that I took the step forward. And I said, you know what? I'm doing this for myself and nobody else. Because if you don't care for yourself, who the hell is going to care about you? Nobody. So you got to take care of yourself, and that's the most important thing. The mental is a priority. Okay? Here, take care of this. Take care of this. And if anything that is affecting your life, leave that behind. Leave that behind. It's not worth your nothing. Okay? Anyways, this is the end of the look. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of like TikTok, this makeup. I love this makeup. This is my favorite right now. Like, it's just so nice and simple and just ready to go. And thank you so much again, First Aid, for sponsoring this video. And make sure you guys check out the Ultra Repair Barrier Cream. This is very important. Like I said, everyone needs it. You have to protect your skin barrier. It's very important. Google it and go find it, and you're gonna find out that you need this. They carry the Ulta, like I said. All information will be down below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao. And I love you guys so much.